OMG! Sober yung year. We're gonna make tawag kay Sai.
Oh yes, hello my dear. Sino masamang espiritu ang sumapi sa'yo at naisipan mo kong tawagan?
Ikaw, sino pa nga ba? Do I need to explain it?
Bakit hindi? What do you intend to do? Ayoko ng maraming saksat.
Chillax! Masyadong HB. Wala kasing magawa dito sa house. Super boring. May magsampan. Punta ka nga dito.
Ako lang, para namang hindi masaya yon. You want some fun today? Bakit hindi mo sila invite lahat? Para the more, the merrier.
Oh, that's a great idea. Kahit pa paano, nag-iisip ka pala. Sige, I'm gonna text them. Bye. See ya.
Ano ba yan?
Nandito na ba sila?
Usual, wala pa. Alam mo naman yung mga yung always late. Upo ka muna.
Grabe naman. Tanda-tanda na, wala pa rin pinagbago.
Ganun talaga. Usapan niya natin. 7:30 ka na dumating.
Grabe ka naman makapag-demand. At least hindi ako ping-pinali.
Okay, fine. Dami kong sinasabi. Mag-ibang ka na naman.
Basag trip ka naman.
Siyempre ako pa. That's...
May,
Can I join? Okay, sure. Ba't ganito pagkain mo? Alam mo ba? Ganito. Kaya wala nga sa bar. Want some? Girl.
At least maganda.
Tayo eh.
Oh,
Ayan na. Akala ko di ka na darating.
O ba hindi darating? I love party. Sorry naman kung late ako. Nagpasalam ka kasi ako. Ito mo naman. Kailangan always beautiful.
Sa bagay may point ka, pero hindi ko alam kung saan banda.
Ikaw naman kasi girl, masyado kang pasensya, hindi naman bagay. Napansin ka to.
OMG! Nandito pala yung super artist niya. Hindi maganda, hindi naman. Wait, watch me. Ang basa. Kadiri! Ah! I'm sorry! I didn't mean it! It was an accident! Yeah! Loko, ang dumi na tuloy.
Ang nakagayan ng ginastos para sa pagpapasalon ko. Tapos lalaitin nyo lang. Kasalanan ko ba kung maganda ako kaya madalas ako mapansin?
Ang lakas ng rap! Tagal nila!
Why? Hindi!
Uy, ang ganda!
Yes!
Bagay sa akin mo. Actually, kapag namaan ko yan.
Okay na yan.
Okay. Tagal naman nila! Kaya yung also. Yarap ko naman ito para maganda. Una na tayo.
I thought you're all dead.
Hey, you're so mean. That's a real bad joke.
Just kidding. Upo muna tayo.
Lugzal.
Papasikat na naman si Bebek sa klase. Feeling niya ganda-ganda niya yung GGSS siya.
You're right. But pero insecure ka sa kanya.
Ew! Ako may insecure. Duh. Mas maganda ako dyan.
What the?
Oh. Wait. Mas magti-trending siya sa top.
Hey! Di ba ang bagong arrival ng Louis Vuitton? Kaya nagkaroon ako. Kasi wala ako. Nadala ko sa mami ko eh.
Lagay, dito ka naman mo.
Bakit?
I need to tell you something.
Ah! Buka na! About what?
Of course, me! Ako pa. Yung Chloe na yan. Bakit? Alam mo sino? Alam mo she knows everything. So, you mean Catholic si Chloe? Bakit? Alam mo sino na?
Alam ko na. Sinakan natin siya!
Uy! Ano ka ba? Alam niyo na nga. Sino na kaya? Sino? Lanti-lanti ka na yung Chloe. Tika! Ano pang hinihintay natin? Parang kulang tayo eh.
Actually, wala pa.
Ay naku, siya na naman.
Hello, girls!
Oh, I thought you're not coming.
Wala pa rin
Okay.
pinagbago.
Yeah.
Nerd pa din.
Ay, nako. Always late.
Upo ka na dito.
Grabe naman kayo. Late lang ako. Ako pa, hindi ko gusto. Ang boring din.
Ang weird ka. Isa pa tong si Ash. Ano naman dami mo sa kanya kuha? She looks very weird and funny.
Alam niyo naman, mababasa niya lahat yun.
Yeah. Ano ba naman yung Ash? Parang books. Do you think you can read all of that?
Not all, pero natutuwa kasi ako pag maraming books. Bookish lover kasi ako.
Hindi ka na lang dito tumira. Total bookish lover ka naman, di ba?
Tapos,
Uy, wait lang.
Buti naman. Oh girls, since kumpleto tayo, let's start the party!
How about the guy in math class?
Johnny Dandra?
Oo, yun nga. No, he's nice.
Bakit? Boyfriend mo ba siya?
Hahaha. What? No.
That's true, Chloe. I will vomit. So, ano na? We could make a fake picture of him and spread it around in school. Ah! I got it.
Are you gonna tweet something new?
Or are you gonna make Johnny baby face as a trending topic? Are you gonna follow me?
No, no, and ew. I'm gonna do something more evil. Watch. Then set.
Hey guys, I'm here for a good time. Room 16, Resorts World Manila. You tweeted his address?
Why would you do that?
Oh, what was that? I don't know. I think it's serial killer. So, they're tweeting went to his house.
OMG! So, what do we do now?
Do you think that's a killer?
Who wants to go there? What? This is your house. You're right. I'll be there. You! Me! Why me? I'm too young to die! Kaya nga, bilis na! Ayoko! Go! Just open it!
Hi, it's a pizza girl.
That's a pizza girl.
Here's your order, Mom.
Why are you late? Ano gagawin natin? He got off the lights!
Don't worry, I have backups. Aba matindi. We're all gonna die!
I told you not to frame up Danny. Look what you did.
Shut up, Chloe. Bakit ka ba nangingilam and no one likes you?
That's not true.
You know what? I hope you came first.
Wow, what happened to you?
Better than last year?
No, I mean, what happened to you that you turned into such a cold-hearted evil?
Anong sinabi mo?
Ang sabi ko, cold-hearted evil ka.
Anong sinabi mo? Is there anybody help get me up?
Ikaw na.
Yung mo.
Nakurog ako. Come on.
Ouch.
Are you okay?
Lumsak lang naman ako sa lapad.
I know. Are you okay?
Why didn't you even care, Chloe?
Because it doesn't matter how mad at you guys or if there's a drama between of us. Nobody deserved to die. You guys are all my friends. Look, if we gonna survive tonight, let's stick together. Who's with me? Please don't kill me. Saan tayo magtatago? We can... Hurry! It's coming! Oh, wait. Jenny, sa balcony in her bedroom. We can hide her. Ano ba yan? What? Magugulo kasi yung buhok ko. Pasalan ko lang ito. Really? How much naman? Yes, I'm so lucky. Hi!
Di ba dapat tatakbo na tayo?
A knife? Makaluma ka naman. Look, if you're gonna kill me, you get something more new and more interesting. Here, let me help you. Something like this. Killed by a computer chip. It's new, and it's more makes statement how youth wasting their life on technology. Thank you. Now, it's your turn. Kamusta naman yun? It's weird. It's not here.
Jane! Please help me!
Pakialam ko. Please don't kill me! I'm ready to die. The other girls deserve to die. I'm the only one that matters. Danny Dandruff? Ay, Daddy the Harry?
Good to see.
Thanks. Buti naman.
Hindi ka pa rin nagbabago, Cherry.
Of course! You almost look different from last year. Wait a minute. What's going on? I thought you're dead.
Akala mo patay na rin si Chloe.
What? Oh. Oh. What's going on?
Hi, Chinese!
Gusto ko namin turuan ng leksyon.
Who? Us! Oh my god!
Have you figured it out, Cherry?
Yeah. Have you figured it out, Cherry?
Have you?
No.
It's okay, Lorraine. We'll explain it to you later. We wanted to show you what being mean to people actually does. Your actions have caused all your friends die. Cherry, you walk all over everyone, the entire life, and you don't care about everyone's feeling like your own.
So all of this was fake?
Yeah.
Wow! You guys had a habit for that. And you go scared. I thought you were really dead.
Yeah. You should have this in your face. Like, ah!
I know, right? I was like,
So, titigil ka na sa pagiging mean mo, Cherry.
no. I mean, still creepy. You look bad. And you have the worst smell that I've ever smelled. Oh, that's what's real.
lang, te. Tanggal mo na yung sikat. Sikat, mali yun.
Hailey.
Sikat, mali yun.
Hailey.